as I told you guys before, you know, I never lie in music. What me sing is what me live, and what me, me live is what me sing, you know what I mean? Man, we try to be true to the music. Yes, sir.
All right. Amazing, amazing. Excellent. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been talking with Imar Shephard, recording artist from Kingston, Jamaica, and the ATL. And the journey is just only beginning because the music is good, just like Wayne said. The quality is there. And it's just to be presented in front of more people. Once people know, I think they'll hear for themselves. And I gotta say, I saw you perform last year, Mikey Sparkle's Father's Day.
Oh, give thanks.
Things. And as I mentioned on the show on Friday, Imar does not see the boundaries of a stage. Yeah, that does not contain him. Yeah. When he performs, the person in the very last row gets a first row seat as well. Yes. You know, because you're out there and you connect with the audience. Where did that come from?
It's just a natural energy, a natural vibes, a natural frequency, and when we spend time, try to perfect the craft, try, as an artist, learn to sing and learn to, perform, Mr. Allier, I'm a hard man for please. When you come out to the performance, in standard. You see, because him is a host as well, you know what I mean? Right. Him know how to, come on a stage. And of course, me pick, a few leave out time book, you know what I mean? And just apply to my thing, which, it works, it works. And me is the kind of artist who love to connect to the audience, you know what I mean? I believe that when I step out there on stage, I just spark Imar Shephard for a while and give the audience me. I just give them me. You know what I mean? Yeah. So what you see out there is Imar Shephard representing to the fullest.
Yes,
man.
That was an inspirational moment for Imar Shephard.
Yeah.
Well, it's the Impeccable Imar. Tell us about that, Impeccable.
All right, the Impeccable is a name that does come at me out of nowhere. I guess over the years, because me is the kind of bridging who stand for greatness.